Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'll be doing a red lobster mukbang. Yes guys, I'll be doing a red lobster mukbang for you guys today. I've been feeling for a red lobster for the longest while, but I keep getting different stuff instead of getting my red lobster, you know. So yes, hold on guys. Sorry about that guys. So yes guys, I'll be doing a red lobster mukbang. And guys, don't forget the number one rule: subscribe to my video, okay? So yes guys, I'm about to dig in. I feel like them shortcut me now. Oh, I'm better than I'm putting in. Them plate are big, you know. So much. Oh, this is so much food. So this is the appetizer: spinach artichoke dip. I keep getting a message. So I don't know if y'all ever try this spinach artichoke dip. It's very good. I like it. And we normally get it whenever I go with my sister. There's a lot of food, but I haven't eaten red lobster in a while. I haven't eaten red lobster in a while, so why not? So this guys, so let me stir this through. This is so good. Whenever I go to red lobster, y'all gotta try this dip. It's so good. So how are you guys doing? It's been a while. I've been busy all weekend, as you can see on my previous video. I had a here-to-here party, and please don't comment about no corona. The blood of Jesus is against corona. Guys, please don't forget when you watch my video to subscribe. Please, please, please. Please don't just watch the videos. Please subscribe, okay? Please subscribe. This dip is so good, and it have lobster in it too. They put a little lobster, spinach with artichoke. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the word right. It is so good. rice. No like dirty rice. So it's good also. Because I like a butter softened. And the shrimp. This rice is good. I think they use brown rice to make this. On top of took a brown rice flavor. It is good. Yeah, I need to try it. I love Red Lobster. They never fail me. So what's up, guys? Guys, remember the #1 rule. Subscribe. Please subscribe. That's the #1 rule. Okay? I keep getting this. So, guys, so we have a new president here in America. You know, so we are all open for greatness because we all know say everybody have them faith into Joe Biden, right? So we are all open for the best. You know, I think we might do good still. I think he's going to do good. You know, I can't eat on a Sunday. I will not have a little salad. But boy, them two that do better though. You know, I'm not near me. I'm not near me. You know, so they do better. Listen, Red Lobster, I'm telling you something. I call you now. The man one side, I want them say Caesar salad. No look of croissant, nothing. Just lettuce alone and put in there. Just lettuce. Guys, I won't even lie about it. Just lettuce. When we go in there, go sit down and eat, they look pretty and fancy and nice. But you don't know the food I deliver to you. So lettuce. And little cheese. So little cheese on the bottom. Them Caesar salad nice though. I'm not gonna lie. But this one I will eat it, but I want a little bit, but it's actually a little turn off. Okay. Last night I was feeling so sick. I suffer from back pain. I had an accident last year that I had damaged my back, and it still affects me. Still affect me. This is good. I like a vegetable won't hurt. Red Lobster live a little better. Don't send me a sauce of lettuce again. I mean, I can't know what. So you eating good today? Make me already me high. Yeah. Ooh. Babes, look at these. Guess what? I'm doing a video. There's a lot of food, this, you know? Like, this is a lot of food. Who can tell me what's my favorite? You know, watch out, don't look funny, then don't come back, you know. Comment and tell me what you think is my favorite thing here. I'm gonna show it yet. I'm about to get to it after I finish this rice. I'm back. You wanna know? You wanna know? The biscuit. My favorite thing. So freaking good. About the shrimp. It is so good. I'm gonna eat nothing now. I'm gonna try my best. I feel like I'm eating too much. Oops! Sorry, but I can't eat messy. I'm trying to wonder. Comment down below if you guys want me to do a lot of mukbang. You know? If you want me to do a lot of. So actually, it's two different kind of shrimp. I have the fried shrimp. This is like a steam one, butter steamed shrimp. They're good. Mr. T, when you watch this video, I know you're gonna be pissed. I'll be like, Auntie, why you didn't wait until I'm here? Don't worry, I'm gonna do one when you come. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello, honey, my bunny, my bunny, my bunny. Guys, I don't know about me, but he's not a fan of lobster. I'm not a fan of these things. I eat it, but I'm not a fan. Next thing is, I gotta get me some pepper, because me can't eat seafood without pepper. Okay? So I'm using some powder pepper. It's cayenne pepper powder. Yeah, give me something without pepper, trust me. Give me something I need pepper in it. That's the only thing. Don't give me seafood without pepper. Make it as spicy as you can make it. You know? Well, I know them now go slice it up, you know. Normally, you know, when you buy it by the Chinese place, you know them does spice it up for you. Yes, I mean. That's what I'm talking about. When you put the pepper on, you get a little balls. Oops, I can make a spill. Don't want that. actually put something over. You see that good thing, but do this over the table because seafood tends to be very messy, and I can't bother with that. I really can't bother with that. I'm not home alone and I don't want to talk too loud. You know, I don't want to disturb anyone. So, you know, but it's really mainly focus on the food. Sorry guys. I something like when the pepper they bite me. Alright, now the pepper kick. I have some more rice here, but I'm gonna save this back for later. This food is so good, trust me. These shrimp, I don't really love fried shrimp, but it's good. I'm not really like, you see like when them flour the shrimp or the fish and fry it. I'm not a big fan, but this tastes good. Right? You could imagine we buy almost $60 worth of food, $56 something, and I get one single piece of napkin. Let me get some paper towel. Just gotta get paper towel. Now what am I going to red lobster? I'm stingy with a little something. You know? But really and truly, when people say them go to these restaurants, boy, them get a little bit of food. Because guess what? These restaurants was made for you to eat in portion. Most time when we go to Red Lobster we eat. Buy me eat appetizer. The main course. I can't eat it. After this, then bring it home. You know? Bring it home and eat it. You know, so getting a little baby shrimp. Them baby me all call it shrimp, lobster, I must say shrimp. Tail look big but boy. But it's not really big. I'm gonna dip it. I'm sure getting some lime anyway. Raw color. Raw like. It's tender though. Come on, Red Lobster, don't play me. I take out every single meat out of it. Yeah, that's how it is. This is good. This is good. I don't like lobster no. The lobster tastes good. Honestly, I don't normally other lobster when I go there. But other stuff I have in it, can be lobster cup bases and that tastes good. We have this time back in Jamaica in the grill. I went to Ritz Cafe and it had this guy outside of Ritz Cafe. He was selling jerk lobster. That was lobster was big. Trust me, tastes good. I think that's the nicest lobster I ever ate. I remember I eating lobster and nice. I've learned from that. Love me some crab. Guys, we can't pack them something like that so people pack them and take them out to them in the night, yeah. Raven, look at this. I did it. I never have said, auntie is not so you do it. You do it like this, auntie. You do it like this. But did I say not have no nothing on the outside? It's the inside juicy. It's flavor. You know some of them have the little heap of stuff on the outside of the crab. You know them have the heap of a lot of stuff and the stuff on the outside of the crab. You know, but this you don't have it, as you see it clear. But it's on the inside. I don't know what they did. It's very good, you know. Oops, I'm getting messy. Ooh, come out, take your time. Don't play with me. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Good Eyes. And oh no, would I watch the video then? And now subscribe, please subscribe. You know, I'm gonna take my damn cuss down. No, I'm not cussing. Please subscribe. You know, let's reach that 1,000 subscribers. It's a way because I post my channel all the time over Instagram, and I have over 1,000 something. My page was private and private, and I privated it for various reasons. You understand? I private it and unprivate it, private it and private it. But you know what? Shit, whosoever want do whatever, and I open it, people keep following. But every time I post, and my thumbnail over there and say like, oh, go subscribe. People go and watch, you know, but I'm not subscribed. They don't be subscribed, but me have over 1,000 odd followers on Instagram. And I'm a person like this. You see, it makes somebody, no matter how much subscriber you have. I say if you go up on your page and watch something, I'm here somebody say, oh, go subscribe to that. I go and do it. That's how it is. Even before I start YouTube channel. I'm like support people, maybe people a chance. Even if they might have more than me. Doesn't matter. Every people a chance, you know. Doesn't matter. You know. This video thing, anybody know me know say I love to video myself. When I check my Instagram, my business, we post like 10 in a one party, you know. When I was here, I'm full of posts on my Instagram. I don't care. I love video myself, Auntie. I never say, Auntie, why you don't start a YouTube channel? Auntie, why you don't start a YouTube channel? I'm like, okay. Let me listen to this afternoon, Trinidad. Princess. She research a lot of things and tell me because I didn't really understand, I'll be honest. I'm not telling a lie. You know? She research a lot of stuff for me. And not because my ear and me mad it up. Nobody see me ear not do good or whatever. I do it myself. It's a party of me and a friend, you know. So I always a part of go. Listen to me, man. I name it. Oh, I know if I name it. Watch out. Guys. Not me and this, yes. I bite it up. Tough, you know? This tough. How this go? Where do you use it? Bust it? I must have said. Oh. Oh. What's that? Watch nice. Good girl. Come here. Shit. It actually works. I first might use on the back. I might just bite it out. You know? Since it's there, why not try to learn something new? Ice are dropping out the fridge. Fridge have an ice maker. This is life. This is life. This I feel for. I don't mind spend money and treat myself, but that's not a YouTube, as I know. As a girl like this, I like to treat myself. I cook a lot. That's what I do. That's why I survive. I cook a lot. You know, so I treat myself. That is good. There's a person who out there every day buying fast food and stuff. I cook a lot. Compared to other Jamaicans that live in America, I don't really cook, you know. Ooh, a $50-something I well spent. But I have a story for going, you know. It's a mix-up story. But I need some more subscribers. About myself, about my life. It's crazy. Not really mix-up. It's just reality. You know? Not attack it. I'm going to tell you something. I'm not afraid of bad comment. I'm something that can share. So, now give me some more subscribe first. Before. So let's start. For the one, thing. Now give me some more subscribe. Then I'm going to throw the lettuce out of this guy. So I'm going to pack away these shrimp. But anyway, let's not get into that. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. Tell a friend to tell a friend about life with